Once again, welcome to Mathline channel. In this channel, you will be getting a basic maths lesson every week. Those who have not watched the previous lessons, please watch from the beginning and continue watching. Also, share the videos of Mathline to the students of all standard. Now we will start today's topic, that is we will continue with the lesson sets. Last class you have studied the meaning of a set. Here we will study different types of sets. They are, the first one is empty set or null set. From the word itself, you will get the meaning of that set. What type of set it is. Empty means nothing. When a set does not contain any element, then it is called empty set. The example or the symbol for representing empty set is curly bracket, or this is the symbol. Example, in rule method, set of all the natural numbers lying in between 0 and 1. Can you list any element? Between 0 and 1, any natural number is there? Then that is an example of empty set. Another example, set of even two-digit prime number. Any two-digit prime number is there which is even. We know that 2 is the only even prime number, that is single digit number. So in this also there is no element. Such examples are of empty set. In this way you can write many examples of empty set. Now the second one is singleton set. That also from the word we will get the meaning. Single means one. When a set contains only one element, then that set is called singleton set. Here I have given a set with an element 2. This we can describe as set of all the even prime numbers. We know that 2 is the only even prime number. So when the set contains only one element, then it is called singleton set. Another example, set of odd number lying in between 10 and 12. How many odd numbers are there? Only one, that is 11. In this way you can write many examples for singleton set. Another one, finite. Finite means limited or countable. When a set consists of limited number of or countable number of elements, then it is called finite set. This is an example. A, E, I, O, U. It is close. This is the U is the last element. When we know the last element, then it will be finite set. Limited number of elements or countable number of elements. Then it is called finite set. Now, just opposite of that, infinite set. Infinite set means when we cannot count the number of elements or infinite number of elements, then that set is called infinite set. Example, set of all the perfect squares 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, etc. Set of all even numbers, set of natural numbers, set of odd numbers, or infinite sets. It does not have limited number of elements. It has infinite. We cannot count the number of elements, or we cannot find the last element. Then that set is called infinite set. Now next one, equal sets. Equal sets means when two or more sets are said to be equal when they contain exactly the same elements. See, set A equal to E, A, P. Set B equal to T, E, A. Even though they are not in the same order, they contain the same elements. Such sets are called equal sets. Here we can say that A is equal to B. A is equal to B. Equal set when they contain exactly the same elements. Now, equivalent set. See the difference between equal and equivalent. Equivalent sets. These are equivalent sets. See here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A, B, C, D, E. They are equivalent set. Why? Are they contain same elements? What is same in this? They are different elements, but they are equivalent set. Why they are equivalent sets? See the count the number of elements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 elements are there in the set P. In the set Q also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Same number of elements. When two or more sets contain same number of elements, then they are said to be equivalent sets. Here how we can say that number of elements in the set P equal to number of elements in the set Q. It is not necessary that they are contain same elements, but in equal sets they should contain same elements. But from this we can say that all equal sets are also equivalent sets. But all equivalent sets are not equal sets. They are also equal, they contain same elements, right? 3 and 3. So all the equal sets are equivalent sets. So understood what is equivalent sets? They contain same number of elements. Now another one, disjoint sets. Disjoint. See this example. E equal to 2, 4, 6, etc. Set of even numbers. O equal to 1, 3, 5, etc. Set of odd numbers. They are disjoint sets. So what is meant by observe the sets? There is no common elements in the sets E and O. So E and O are disjoint sets. So what is meant by disjoint sets? When two sets are said to be disjoint sets when they contain no common elements. Clear? They contain exactly different elements. They are disjoint sets. These are the types of sets that I would like to explain today. More and more types of sets you have to learn that we can learn in the next class. So thank you for watching this lesson. Please share and forward as much as possible to the students of all standards. Have a nice day. See you next week with a new topic, or we will continue with the types of sets. So bye bye. See you.